What's up guys, it's Dan PH77 and today I'm going to be reviewing the Noveske KX3 amplifier. Alright guys, so the KX3 is going to cost you anywhere from $40 to $50. Its main purpose is to replace your standard flash hider, and it's going to amplify, or supposed to amplify, the sound of your gun. Now you can find the KX3 on most online retailers such as Airsoft GI, E-Bike, or any other major retailer. It's probably going to be the best price, I think, at Airsoft GI. You can use the coupon code TIM, T-I-M, and get 10% off your purchase, which is excellent. Now the KX3 is made by MadBull and it is officially licensed by Noveske Rifle Works. So the KX3 is going to feature a 14mm clockwise thread, just like your standard flash hider. So there's no modification needed. It's going to work just fine. Now the KX3 comes in assorted colors. You can get black, OD, silver, gold even, and sand, I believe. I'm going to sum it up. I'm going to show you how the KX3 works, and then I'm going to do a sound test and see if you can see a difference. So let's get started taking this thing apart. Alright then. So the KX3, what makes this thing works is cones inside of it. And to get to the cones, you're going to need like a screwdriver or some kind of pick, and you're going to push this C-clip out and lift up. And it should come right off. With the C-clip off, now unscrew it. Okay, here we go. Now with the top off, you can get to the cones. And that's all that's in there. That's the main thing that makes this thing work, is these. With these cones, if the vents, as such, are fully open, it will reduce the sound. It won't be as loud. If they are closed, it will be louder. Your sound will be amplified more. And then the other thing is an O-ring. Let me get this off. This O-ring also produces an effect. The effect that it produces is like a popping sound. I couldn't really notice too much of a difference. Really, the main thing for this is the receiving end is what's, you can really tell the difference. From your perspective or from the perspective of the shooter, you're not really going to be able to tell that much of a difference. Alright guys, so I've talked about the main aspects of the KX3 and the main operation, how it works and everything, how to adjust the cones. Now let's see how it works. I'm going to do a little sound demonstration from shooter perspective, and then I'm going to put the camera out a distance and shoot towards it and see how the sound, you know, just do different locations, and I'll be sure to let you know at the top where I am and where the camera is. But let's get started. Alright guys, this has been Dan PH77. If you like my review on the KX3 Flash Hider by MadBull, Noveske license, please remember to like and favorite the video below. It really helps me out. If you want to see more of my videos, click subscribe right above me. There's a link. Other than that guys, thanks for watching. Yeah. Peace! Remember to subscribe. Yeah, like, favorite below.